Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Salman Afila Rahma. I'm from class 4B. My name is 056. In this video, I will explain 10 articles that I have reviewed. The topic is learning English through songs. I will summarize each article and explain the main finding, limitation, and also connect each article with the others to show the relationship between them. Let's begin. The first article is by Wong Jun Hui and Jamaluddin, 2024. This is a systematic literature review about the use of songs in English learning. The article showed that song can improve listening, speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, and motivation. It also explained that songs are suitable for learners of different age. This article is similar to most of the next article because it already showed the general benefit of songs in English learning. However, unlike the experimental studies in later articles, this one does not test students directly. It only analyzes previous research. So this article gives a general foundation for the next studies. The second article by Babayev 2025 use an experimental method to study songs in English learning. It focuses on vocabulary, pronunciation, listening skills. The results show that students improve significantly after learning with songs. This is similar to the first article because both show that songs are effective, but it is different because the second article gives real experimental evidence, not just literature review. Compared to the first article, this study is more practical because it uses real participants. And then the third article by Karim, 2022, focus on students' perception of songs in vocabulary learning. Most students have positive opinions. Songs help them learn vocabulary, understand the lyric, and feel more motivated. This connects with the third article because both show improvement in vocabulary, but the third focus more on students' feeling, not test scores. The third article adds a new perspective, not only effectiveness, but also students' experience. And then the fourth article by Chen and by Chen Muhammadi and Izzat Pana, 2024, discusses TELLTM, a technology-based music learning method. It is improved academic achievement, creative thinking, and self-esteem. This article expands the previous findings because earlier articles focus on language learning, while this one adds psychological aspect. So compared to the first until the third article, this study show that music also affect creativity and confidence, not only vocabulary or listening. Okay, the fifth article by Muhammad and Rahmat, 2020 discuss challenges in learning English through songs. Students face difficulties in pronunciation, past tempo, and understanding lyric. This article is different from previous article because it shows negative sides. However, it is still connected because the central songs is discussed, but from difficulty perspective. So this article balances the previous positive findings. The next is the sixth article by Jannah Zahra Yusnida 2026. Study Spotify in vocabulary learning. It shows significant improvement in vocabulary and motivation. This article is similar to Article 2 because both use experimental method and show improvement in vocabulary. But Article 6 is more modern because it uses a digital platform Spotify. So we can see development from traditional songs to digital learning media. The next is the seventh article by Fatona 24, focus on motivation. It shows that song increases motivation, focus, and enjoyment in learning English. This connects strongly with Article 6 because both show positive students engagement, but Article 7 focus on perception, while Article 6 focus on the result. So both support each other from different perspectives. The next is the 8th article by De Rocas 2024, focus on grammar learning using songs. It shows improvement in modals, WH questions, and preposition. This connect with Article 2 and 6 because all show improvement in English skills, but Article 8 especially focus on grammar. So songs are not only useful for vocabulary but also grammar learning. The ninth article by Bassi 2021, study singing for primary school learners. It shows that singing improves grammar, vocabulary, and spelling. This article supports Article 8 because both focus on grammar. However, Article 9 is different because it focuses on young learners and compares singing with speaking and control groups. So it strengthens the idea that songs are effective for all age. Okay, move to the last article. The last article by Lubis 2025 is a literature review about songs in listening skills. It shows that songs improve listening comprehension, vocabulary, pronunciation, motivation, and engagement. This connect with the first article because both are literature review, but the last article focus more on listening skill, specifically overall comparison. After reviewing 10 articles, we can see clear patterns. First, all articles agree that songs have a positive effect in English learning. They improve vocabulary, listening, pronunciation, grammar, and motivation. Second, the articles are different in focus. Focus vocabulary in Article 2, 3, and 6, grammar in Article 8 and 9, listening in Article 1st and last, motivation Article 4 and 7, challenges in Article 5. Third, the research methods are also different. There are literature review, experimental, quasi-experimental, qualitative, and we can also see development over time. Early studies focus on general benefit, while newer studies include technology like Spotify and TELLTM. So overall, songs are not only effective but also flexible and widely used in different research contexts. The conclusion articles show that songs are effective in English language learning. Songs help improve language skills such as vocabulary, listening, pronunciation, and grammar. They also increase motivation, creativity, and confidence. Even though there are some challenges like pronunciation difficulty and fast tempo, songs are still powerful and enjoyable learning tool. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.